What makes reflection nebulae different from emission nebulae? Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered about the colorful clouds of gas and dust? Today, we are going to explore the fascinating differences between reflection nebulae and emission nebulae. These two types of nebulae are both stunning but have unique characteristics that set them apart. First, let's talk about emission nebulae. These nebulae are made up of ionized gas, primarily hydrogen. They are special because they emit their own visible light. This glowing occurs when nearby stars produce strong ultraviolet radiation. This radiation ionizes the gas, causing it to shine brightly, often with a reddish hue. Emission nebulae are often bustling with activity, as they are sites of star formation. Young, hot stars energize the surrounding gas, making these nebulae vibrant and colorful. Now let's shift our focus to reflection nebulae. Unlike emission nebulae, reflection nebulae do not emit light on their own. Instead, they consist of clouds of gas and dust that reflected the light from nearby stars. The dust particles in these nebulae scatter the starlight, and they tend to reflected blue light more efficiently. This gives reflection nebulae their characteristic bluish appearance. Because they rely on reflected light, they are generally less bright than emission nebulae. The differences between these two types of nebulae highlight the fascinating ways that light interacts with matter in space. Emission nebulae are like cosmic light bulbs, glowing with their own light, while reflection nebulae act more like mirrors, reflecting the light of nearby stars. Both types of nebulae play important roles in our understanding of the universe. Emission nebulae, as stellar nurseries, symbolize the birth of new stars and planetary systems. This can inspire support for scientific research and education. Reflection nebulae, on the other hand, show us the complex interactions of light and matter, emphasizing the need for advanced tools in space exploration. So, the next time you gaze at the night sky, remember that emission nebulae are glowing with their own light, while reflection nebulae are reflecting the beauty of the stars around them. Each type of nebula contributes to our knowledge of the cosmos and the life cycle of stars. This understanding can inform science policy and funding decisions, helping us to continue exploring the wonders of the universe.